指鹿为马，指鹿为马，指鹿为马。Deliberately reverse right and wrong. 指 is a transitive verb meaning point to. 鹿 is a noun meaning a deer, a stag, or a buck. 为 here used as a conjunction before the object complement 马 indicating the relationship of the two elements 鹿 and 马. 马 is a noun meaning horse, which is the object complement of 鹿. Translated word by word, this idiom means call a deer a horse, and its metaphorical meaning is deliberately reverse right and wrong. This idiom is originated from a story. In ancient China, there was a very wicked and very powerful official called Zhao Gao who was plotting a coup and wanted to see how many officials would be against him and how many would be obedient to him. So he decided to give them a test. One day he brought a deer to the emperor in the presence of other officials. He pointed to the deer, saying to the emperor, "Your Majesty, I brought a horse." The emperor laughed, saying, "You are wrong, this is a deer. Why are you calling it a horse?" Zhao Gao turned around to the other officials and asked them if it was a deer or horse. Some echoed him, saying it was a horse. Some said nothing, and others said it was a deer. What would happen to these upright officials? They were executed by Zhao Gao afterwards, because Zhao Gao had the power. Although the four words in this idiom have their respective parts of speech, it can be used as an intransitive verb. For instance, 你明明知道是怎么回事，怎么可以指鹿为马呢？ How could you reverse the right and the wrong while knowing exactly what had happened? It can also be used as an adjective that serves as a noun modifier. For instance, 像这样指鹿为马的伎俩 Such a deliberately reverse right and wrong trick as this. Note here, when using this idiom as a noun modifier, we need to add one word 的 after it. And this noun modifier modifies the phrasal noun 伎俩, which means trick, particularly the dirty ones and despicable ones.